Hello and welcome back, guys. Okay, so in this video we are gonna learn how to structure our HTML code, because obviously you cannot just throw in random tags over here and make a website like this. Even though like I just showed you, you can't. This is not how it's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete this. Hopefully you didn't write a lot of code in your challenge. And once this is done, uh, either you can write all of this, or if you have Visual Studio Code, all you need to do is basically just do uh, an exclamation mark, and it will say emit abbreviation if you have emit plugin installed. And then you just, again, this is one of the extensions. If you have it installed, then it will do this. And you just press enter on the exclamation mark, and it will load this code up. And this is a standard HTML boilerplate. So this is how the code usually is structured. Now I'm gonna take you through these tags quickly. So the first one, it says doc type HTML, which is probably understandable that the type of this document is HTML. And more specifically, it's an HTML5 document. That's what it's trying to say. Then the language is English. Then these are meta tags that have to do with external information that is in relation with your project. So char set, or the character set we are using, is UTF-8. This is an encoding method. You can actually read about it. Basically, just sometimes you open some websites that are in Bulgarian language or Japanese or something, and some words don't make any sense. Like, even if you do understand Japanese, those words are not Japanese, they're just symbols. So that's because the the compatibility is not high enough. But UTF-8 has the highest compatibility. So that's basically what it means, that it's compatible with most websites out there, and it will not browsers, sorry, out there, and it will not mess up your website and it won't look good or something. Then there is viewport. This one has to do with the compatibility, responsiveness, so your website doesn't look weird on mobile phones and tablets and different things when people open it on different things, because you might be coding it on a laptop, but people will view it, on their cell phones and everything. So this has to do with that. Then there are also other meta tags. There's also keywords and whatnot, and like, for example, keywords, and then in the content I will write something like Hamza. I might write some other thing like best developer in town. This is just something like, this has to do with SEO management, which is outside the scope of this course. But you write the words over here that are relevant with your website, so that when people search for any of these words or any of these sentences, your website will pop up. And the more precise your words and the more accurate your words are, the higher the website will rank. I will do a course later on SEO management, but right now this is outside the scope. I just wanted to show you there are other meta tags as well, but basically this is that. Then there is the title. The title is well, it appears at the top of the web page. So for example, I'm just gonna write over here uh, Hamza, and then I'm gonna say personal site. And if I save it, and I think I still have this open. Yep, refresh it. You see over here it says Hamza personal site. So this is the title of your web page. Then, and all of this information is in the header, in the head of the website. After that, there is the body where the heading and everything else will go, and then, oh, also there is this HTML tag that shows that, well, everything in the middle over here is an HTML. Well, this is the boilerplate of every HTML file you will ever produce. Now in the next video, we are finally gonna start actually coding. So I hope you're excited about that part as much as I am. I know up until now it was mostly theoretical and getting our environment right and whatnot, but these things are very important if you ever hope to understand what we are gonna do in the future videos, in the coming videos, because things are gonna get very technical, extremely technical as we go along. So as long as you understand this, coming parts won't be a problem. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.